a lot of foreign nationals are saying that now that South Africans are running shops and getting employment, they don't think that it's going to last because they consider South Africans to be lazy. Do you believe that?
They are lazy in their country. And it's you were not you were also lazy to fight your government. So we never said, Guti, you know what, because you are lazy to fight your government, we must go on TV and say, oh, that and that. No. South Africans are in their country. They're not disturbing anyone. They're not being lazy in your country. It's another story if I was to come to Cameroon and I was to be lazy in Cameroon and start, sleeping. And if I'm lazy in my own country and you claim I'm lazy as you claim, it's fine. Allow us to be lazy in our country in peace. And we're not asking you to do anything. We're saying, just leave us to be lazy in peace. You must go and be a hard worker in your country. Work hard. That's what we also want. We want you to work hard. But now we've had enough of you working hard in South Africa because we've seen your ability to work hard. Can you exercise that ability in your country and allow us to be lazy, as you claim, in our country? We have had enough of being told that you are here to help us because we are lazy. You don't need to help us. You really don't need to help us. Allow us to be lazy, and that laziness, if we fail in that laziness, you lose nothing as darling, right? If South Africans are lazy in South Africa, what do you lose as darling in Cameroon? Absolutely nothing. So go to your country, Ghana or Nigeria, whatever your country is, or Zimbabwe, Malawi, or Mozambique, and stay in your country and let South Africans be lazy in South Africa, because it shouldn't bother you that they're lazy in their country. Why does it bother you? What do you lose? What do you lose if South Africans are lazy in South Africa?
Yeah, well, we've seen South African, I think politician Julius, he always says that South Africans cannot survive without foreign nationals. That even the jobs that they are claiming that foreign nationals have taken, they're taking over. These are jobs that South Africans will still not be able to do. So he's always like, South Africans are lazy. South Africans cannot get the job done. Foreign nationals are even the ones who are employing some of the South Africans who are willing to work. So they should allow foreign nationals to be in South Africa. They should just grant them citizenship or resident permit so they can be, or get them the documents, the necessary documents for them to stay in South Africa.
Look, I'm not even going to talk about Julius Malema because, like I have explained, the role of politicians and all of this.
Okay, very well. But now let's talk about South African artists now feeling the heat. Most of them have gotten their shows cancelled. I'm sure you've seen in Zimbabwe have cancelled all the shows from Mafiki Zolo, Musa Keys, and other South African artists are equally feeling the heat. Any comments on that?
But how is that helping their countries to improve? Entertainment is just entertainment. It's you getting entertained by an artist. South Africa loses nothing because you cancelled Mafiki Zolo. What do we lose? We don't lose anything.
South Africans, and they're losing money, right?
Listen to what I'm saying when I say that
if
South African artists have been on their side. That's the funniest part. South African artists
in my capacity as a premier, because this is a job that belongs to the ANC. Some people were angry yesterday when I was with Comrade Baya and Mamidu. When I said I'm premier, probably brought to you by the ANC.
Decided that they're not going to say anything about our plight of South Africa and choose your side because they've been protecting their bookings and whatnot.
And you went and you
sabotaged those very same people.
As you say, potholes are brought to you by the ANC. Even the water that we are giving people is brought to you by the African National Congress.
Because you're angry at South Africa.
By the way, the potholes were not brought to you by the ANC.
We'll get
it's about us when we are lazy as employees. That's why the ANC will recall us if we don't fix potholes.
They're still going to want to come to South Africa. They still win. We're still going to pay for our tickets to go watch them. We're still going to treat them well when they come to our country.
Why are you not fixing your economy?
Illegal immigrants.
I keep on
we're not
saying,
dealing with people coming to our country, spending their money,
deputy chair,
and
my
whatever.
problem
That's not our
is the
problem,
DG.
really. I don't think that's a smart thing
the
to do, because at the end of
my
the day,
problem is the
like
HOD. They must simply remove me and bring a premier who will see the DG being a problem and reshuffle the DG. When the MEC is a problem, ask the MEC to step aside to another department and fix the province.
We are chasing out people who are not investing in our country.
There is nothing factional about it. Even if you are my friend,
things and
if you are not performing, I will ask you
smart thing to do,
and
but
take you where I think you can perform better.
Good luck.
Because sometimes I might think, Premier. Limpopo has got more than 6.5 million people, who all of them. Premier. So it means it's an honor to be a premier. Letting 6.5 million people, Comrade Inoko. Botswana, what is the population? What is the population of Namibia and other provinces, other countries? 6.5 million people. Their lives are in your hands as the leader of that government. Therefore, you must honor them. You must work. So let's go and do what Madiba, President Mandela, would wanted us to have done. We acknowledge that yes, things might not have gone right. But also I must remind those who keep on saying, ANC keeps on apologizing, ANC keep on saying, no, we are sorry, ANC. No, the ANC does not keep on saying we are sorry. When you are working, there are times where you will make mistake. And to acknowledge your mistake, it's not a sign of weakness, but acknowledging your mistake is the strength, and that you are about to correct your mistake. Let me tell you what I keep on telling my members of Executive Council, Son. I always tell the MECs, uri hapa tsini rina chibadela chimwe chinopfi hayani ndi chibadela cha Botovele vadzula vachiko spenda dzi birthday dzavo chibadela cha Hayani. There's a hospital called Hayani. We must go and visit that hospital one day so that I demonstrate what I mean.